Hey friends, look at this modern website. This is a full featured website for hotel and resort business with booking functionality. And you can also create the same for your hotel or resort business or even for your client in just few minutes. And you don't need any specific technical knowledge for doing all these things. Yes, using WordPress, you can create wonderful websites in no time. And I'm going to show you how you can set up this website for your business. Yes, you can deliver it to the client as well. And we are going to use this Ibiza luxury hotel and resort FSC theme. So FSC themes are comparatively easy to use and good in performance. And this is wonderful that I am recording this video to cover this theme. And this is basically looks like a new theme because it has got a very less number of sales as of now, and it got a release 2 months back only. Okay, so we are going to have a complete insight of this theme, and we are going to create this demo website using the Ibiza WordPress theme here in this video. Okay, so don't miss any part of this video if you are really serious about a good and wonderful website. And I have this core and press installation of WordPress, and I'm using this cPanel based shared hosting plan, and I'm assuming you have both. If not, please follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website, get a hosting plan and a domain for yourself, and start creating websites using WordPress. Okay, so let us begin installation. And as of now, this core installation is using 2025 WordPress theme, and this is the look. So in the theme pack, I got the installable theme file, which is just showing 1.9 MB in size. So it is a well optimized WordPress theme, of course. And Ibiza Child is also here. So to begin the installation, we can simply open the appearance section. Further, we need to add themes, and we can add theme here, upload theme, choose the installable theme file, ibiza.zip. This is only the file that you need to select. Click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds in installing the theme, depending upon your host capacity, yes, of course. And I wish to show you the exact time it is taking. Yes, it is fine now, and we can go to the theme page. And on the theme page, I have this Ibiza along with the default theme, and I'm using version 1.0.1. Right? So we can come back here with the activation. So just activated the theme. Complete your setup to activate all Ibiza features. Okay. So we can continue setup here. Installing the Gutenverse, which is required for FSC WordPress theme. Installing the Gutenverse form for creating forms at WordPress websites. And only 3 plugins that you can see here. So this is a very good and stable feature which we can use for a long-term website, and the Gutenverse companion is here. So we have installed 3 plugins only. Unlikely other theme uses multiple plugins. We are using only 3 plugins. So now we are here on this screen. Plugin requirements is fulfilled. So all the required plugins had been installed: Gutenverse, Gutenverse Form, and Gutenverse Companion. Now next, we can go to the selection which demo we want to have at our demo website. Okay. So we have 2 options. Either we can import all the pages, or we can import the selected pages. Like if you want to import only home page or room details, you can go one by one. But yes, for a fresh installation, we can simply go for import all pages. And we have already selected the full import, and we can simply start importing the pages and elements along with the images. So everything that we need for a demo website. And the progress bar, this spinner is showing us the progress, what is going behind the screen. So 9 pages is to be imported, and it is going to take a while because it is connected to developer server and it is bringing all the content at our installation now. 2 pages completed, rooms, hotel, and even the room details is completed. So we can expect a very good website in just few seconds now. So this is going to be our target website. I'm really very much impressed with the design and the style, and the presentation of content is really very good. So this is hamburger menu, like rooms and offers and about. So internal pages are equally good and modern in style, of course. So it is importing the about us page. So this is the page, and further we have this is parallax effect, and the design and aesthetic is according to the luxury need of hotel and resort business. So this can be a very good choice since it is a very easy to use theme and easy to customize theme that you can use for your hotel and resort business website. So Ibiza is the theme that we are exploring in this video, and it can be available just for $69 at themeforest.net through the video description link. And this in this $69, you're going to get quality check by Envato, the future updates, and 6 months support from the theme developer Jack Theme itself, and they are Power Elite author, of course. So, and in addition to this, you are going to get the complete support on even on live chat from our side to complete your website absolutely free. Don't worry, you just need to follow the link for buying the theme at themeforest.net. Okay, so all links have been given in the description. And okay, so here import demo, install demo completed, or demo is successfully completed. Simply close this, and it is amazing experience, right? So we have successfully completed the installation with the demo, and now we can go for the next. Here we can either choose if we want to upgrade the pro features, so we can simply go for net. And congratulations, widget dashboard, and yes, we can visit the website as well. So I'm eager to refresh this page, and cool, and really this is pleasant. Form action is missing page, assign form action into this. Okay, that is fine. So we can simply do this all these things. So we got the complete website here, and the elements that we targeted for a demo website. So all done, and we have the complete website, and this is the dashboard. Okay, so new Gutenverse setup. So we can set up the Gutenverse as well. On the some install and activate. That is very good. All features in just few clicks without having any technical intervention or developer support. This is the beauty of FSC themes, and yes, we have completed. Just come back to the dashboard, and we have completed all the steps now. Okay, great. So now I'm taking it to the backend since our website is live and up, and I can open for reference. So it has got all the elements, and if we check the internal pages, the offer space is here. So it is really loading in a very fast speed. Further, we have the internal pages like about, and yes, it is also equally fast in loading. Okay, great. So all done. And now I'm very quickly going to show you what we can do at the back end for customization. Very less navigation. So Gutenverse is here if you want to go for further settings. However, it is not so required. So you can go to the dashboard to check all the details. Ecosystem is here. So you can download the Gutenverse Nude plugin. So, and blocks and form is already here. So the blocks are here. You want to, you can enable and disable the elements here, like wrapper, you want to use form builder, the pop-up builder. So it is totally your choice how you want to proceed. By default, all the free options are enabled, and it might be being used at the website. And contact custom font is also here. Further, we have the front end controller, the font and stylings templates are here, font icons, and the form itself. right? And the system status is just for information. It should be all green here. So as I can check, even I am using the shared hosting, it is all good here. And update notice just in case if we are having. Further, we can control the forms here. The form is basically for displaying the contact capturing forms at the website, and you can create new forms here as you may need for your website. Further, you can check the entries of forms here. So it is very simple. So there is nothing like customizations, and we have already used the Ibiza dashboard, and the customize options can be found under the default customize options like WordPress customize and site identity, and the rest of basic things can be updated simply here. So it is like a magic, and you are going to launch your website in just few minutes. And for editing the front end of your website, you can simply open the page and click on edit page, or directly go to the page section, and you can start customizing or editing your site. So just click on the area that you want to edit, and you'll be able to edit the content. Just keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image and same length of text as you can find in the demo. So it is simple and easy to use. Edit original. So this is the thing. So you can start. It's just like working on a Word file, you can complete your website in all aspects. So I believe this is very easy and fundamentally very good website for a luxury hotel and resort, and you can go with this theme. But yes, you have multiple choices in terms of themes and plugin on this channel itself. So I would recommend to compare other themes as well, and you can choose the best one that is very close to your requirement and find the best one for your website project. Ibiza is one of the best WordPress theme, no doubt. You can go with this. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your dream websites. And meanwhile, if you have any question, write in the comment section of this video, or you can start a direct chat with a mentor here on the iCreate program. Links has been given in the description. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.